A step-by-step guide on how you can deposit a check on the Chase app. First, you want to download the Chase mobile app if you don't have it already, and then open the app and log in with your Chase username and password. Then we will select deposit. You want to tap on the menu, 3 horizontal lines or the more option, and then you will select deposit checks or look for a deposit button on the main screen. Then you will choose the account, so you want to select the Chase account where you want the check deposited, for example the checking or savings account. You will take photos of the check. You want to tap on front to take a photo of the front of the check, and then you will choose back to take a photo of the back of the check. Make sure you've endorsed or signed the back of the check and written for mobile deposit at Chase only under your signature. Ensure the check fits within the provided frame and that the image is clear. Then enter the check amount, type in the exact amount of the check, submit the deposit. You want to review the information to ensure it's accurate, and then tap on deposit. You receive a confirmation on screen, an email after the deposit is successfully submitted. You want to hold on to the check, keep the check for a few days, usually 14, until the funds are fully processed, just in case any issues arise. That's it. Your check will usually be processed within 1 to 2 business days. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.